From which country does the kangaroo, a marsupial known for carrying its young in a pouch, originate? In which habitat does the lion, often referred to as the king of the jungle, originate? Which primate species, found only in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, is known for its close genetic similarity to humans? In which of the following countries can you not encounter the majestic Bengal tiger? In which country is the orangutan native? What is the name of the largest penguin species that inhabits Antarctica? Which country is renowned for being the natural habitat of the iconic primate species, the lemur? Which island country is famously associated with the extinct dodo bird, which became a symbol of extinction and was native to that location? The Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard species, is native to which country? Atolls are often home to diverse marine life. Which type of marine organism is primarily responsible for building atolls? Which New Zealand bird, known for being flightless, is also the national symbol of the country? In which of the following countries can you not find the dromedary camel? Which of the following islands is home to the unique sea iguana, known for its ability to swim and forage in the ocean? In which of the following countries can you find the jaguar, a large cat known for its powerful build and spotted coat? In which part of USA can you find the American alligator? In which of the following regions can you find giant sequoia trees, known for their impressive size and age? In which of the following countries can you find the African bush elephant, known as the largest land animal on Earth? In which of the following regions can you find the scarlet macaw, a brightly colored parrot known for its vivid red, yellow, and blue plumage? In which of the following regions can you find the baobab tree, known for its distinctive, wide trunk and longevity? In which of the following environments can you find the clownfish, a brightly colored fish known for its symbiotic relationship with sea anemones? In which of the following environments can you find the harbor seal, a common sea mammal? In which country can you find the panther chameleon, known for its ability to change colors rapidly? In which region is the king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, primarily found? In which region can you primarily find the toko toucan, known for its large, colorful bill? In which regions can you primarily find the puma, also known as the mountain lion or cougar?